Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Infiniti QX80 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you do have any contaminants that are hard to remove, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any ceramic coating on the lens, you can use tack solution to help remove those contaminants. So first we're going to apply slip solution to the lens. Grab a clean microfiber towel and remove all the contaminants that each lens may have, and make sure to clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the tint does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And if you do happen to have those hard contaminants like the oils, grease, or coating, you would just grab your tack solution, spray it onto your microfiber towel. Instead of spraying it onto the lens, you spray it onto the microfiber towel, and you would just remove all the contaminants. And then once you're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. Okay, so once you finish prepping the lens, now we can start with the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And then once you finish applying the solution, we need to align the film to this edge here first. So make sure to align the tint right on the edge here. Once you have it aligned, apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. That way we can start tacking it down with our squeegee. So remember, align it right on the edge here. It doesn't wrap or cover the inside here, it's just the face of the headlight lens. So apply tack solution, keep it aligned, and then grab your squeegee and start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure it stays secured. If you see that the film is not secured and you're having a hard time tacking it down, you can always apply heat. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer to apply heat. This may happen because you may have applied a little bit too much slip solution, or it's too cold outside, so it's taking a little while for the adhesive to activate. So with applying heat, you can help the adhesive activate faster. So just grab your heat device, use the lowest setting, and apply heat. That way we help the adhesive activate faster. Okay, and then just grab your squeegee, tack down the film, and that should help it stay tacked down to this section. And now all we have to do is just make sure we keep the entire film aligned here, and we're going to do just a slight stretch to reach the film, this edge here, to the edge of the headlight here. So it's just a light stretch, but make sure you have it tacked down, because if you don't and you stretch the film, that's going to happen. So I tried to stretch it with that move. So we need to make sure this stays secure. Always just make sure, double check, triple check, or just however many times you need to check to ensure that the film is tacked down. So now the film is more secure, and now we could do the stretch to reach to this edge here. So stretch it, and now if you notice, the film is staying secure over there. So we should be good now. So lift the film, apply tack solution underneath and on top. And the reason why we're applying tack solution on top is that way our squeegee is able to glide and not get stuck and scratch the film. So something to keep in mind, the film or the kit on this area here, it's only covering the actual clear section, not the blacked out part here. So make sure when you align it, you're covering the entire clear section. Okay, and that's pretty much for this one. Just make sure to remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film. That way there's no water bubbles. And then now we just have to apply heat to seal the entire edge with our microfiber towel, and then we should be good. So heat gun, apply heat, and then microfiber towel, just use it to tack down and secure the film. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next section of the installation for the headlight. So this is piece number 2. It will be this piece here. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we just need to make sure to align it on the bottom here. So keep in mind, the film is only covering the face as well here. So the top section, it only covers up to this area here. And the reason being is because of the type of curve it is here. It's going to be hard for the film to tack down since there's a small area to work with here, and because of the curve. So start from aligning it from the bottom, apply tack solution. Keep it aligned. Grab your squeegee, start tacking it down. Make sure to keep it aligned. Tack it down. You're gonna remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the film. And then work your way up. And then just keep it aligned here. You might need to do a slight stretch just so it covers this section here. And to help remove the fingers. So stretch it like this. And that's pretty much it for the installation for this one. Now to finish it off, just apply tack solution, and we're going to apply heat around the edges, that way it stays secured and it doesn't lift over time. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation is to post heat the entire lens. So just grab your tack solution and apply it onto the lens. We're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down and remove any solution that's trapped around the edges, and also help remove any fingers that you may encounter. While we're doing that, we're going to apply heat to help the adhesive activate faster. And if you see those fingers, just apply heat around those edges. That way will help them tack down. So take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Infiniti QX80. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.